And I don't know whether fortunately or unfortunately I was living in Delhi, so I thought I should put up a factory in Greater Noida because we cater to export sector. So I had taken a plot in EPIP. First, I'll come to that what Mr. Prasad was telling that this infrastructure has been developed.
Please be very,
Yeah, very much. I'll take not more than
directly if you can direct the question. And
I'm coming on the point first that people should know that by the infrastructure, by the good roads or by the good power sector, power availability, industry cannot come. The industry can come with the mindset of people who have been set up there to bring the industry. The people who have been employed, who are the officers, they have been given the task to bring the industry. Whereas they are been doing contrary to their job, they are killing the industry. That I want to just bring in the notice of this honorable panel. First of all, I let you know, because I have pan-India factories, different factories, I know that all the industrial area has been grown. Whereas if you see Saibabad, if you see Suratpur, if you see EPIP, you go 25 years back, it is same. Where they were, right now also they were there. Because of the people who is responsible to develop this place and bring more industries, they are killing it. I'll give you an example also. Because as you correctly said, the mindset need to be changed. But I think in UP it is very difficult to get it changed. I bought a plot in EPIP, very small plot in a bank auction when bank was auctioning it there in 2012. And then I applied for a transfer of the plot. 2 years it took me to put several letters, even up to the rank of MD. I had sent 20s of letters. Not a single letter has been replied. Then, as Mr. Samir Gupta said that in Taj Conclave he met Mr. Manoj Singh. I also went over there, and Mr. Manoj Singh has given me a letter on the spot itself that it will be transferred. He has given me a letter. I have an order passed over there that it will be transferred. Now that was in 2014. Now we are on the end of 2016. This plot has not been transferred. After 4 years, in 2013, I bought a plot of 14 acres in Gujarat, and the factory is now running. I have employed 200 people. Here in this plot, not a single brick I can put because the plot has not been transferred in my name. I'll tell you.
Thank you.
Just a minute. No, just a minute. I'm saying one thing. We don't want any ease of business, but please don't make difficult the business. So this is because now they are cutting. What is happening? Even I can show you, I have brought all the letters. More than 20 letters have been sent by registered post to the MD's office. Not a single letter has been replied. And suddenly they say, no, we can't do. And you see, after passing of that order in 2014, where UPSIDC Rule 50 says, within 14 days they have to transfer the plot. What they did, after 2 years, when the Manoj Singh has passed an order that it will be transferred, they say, 2 years because you have delayed, time extension fees has to be levied on you. For their sins, we have to pay. They have delayed the plot transfer for 2 years, and now they say that I have to pay a hefty fine. So I chosen that I will not go to the industry in UP to put a single industry. Even to my 20 of industrialist friends, I'll tell, please throw your money in river. Don't go to UPIC because the mindset cannot be changed. This is
Mr. Agrawal, I can appreciate your anguish, and I don't take it otherwise. Even if you were a little agitated,
no, it's not a matter of agitation. I've been keeping quiet for 4 years.
No, that is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. That even if you are feeling a little agitated, I don't take it otherwise because you are anguished. You sincerely want to start an industry there, and the processes have not been favorable to you, and we regret that. The MD of UPSIDC is here, Mr. Amit Ghosh, and I'm sure when he speaks, no, don't worry. You can meet him separately also during the dinner, and he will address your concern here. I mean, that is the purpose of coming to this place and talking to you. That is the purpose. If you are feeling anguished, we don't take it otherwise. I mean, your anguish is very genuine. And don't ask your friends to throw their money in Yamuna.
It's not a matter of my anguish. It's a matter of your mindset has to be changed.
I accepted that, friend. Mr. Agrawal, I accepted that. I expressed my regret for that. And I also told you that Mr. Amit Ghosh will address your concern. And then I requested you that